Next up, we'll have a look at the bridge. Again, mechanically following all the parts along, you can follow my hands. Now let's try that out with the band. Next up, we'll do measures 5 through 8 in succession again to figure out mechanically who gets to play where, right? So it starts with the crash. Let's have a little closer look here with that. So first measure is next measure here is going to get played and you'll notice that bass drum at the very end. So 3E and 4E and right? So that will propel us into measure 3. That is a crash, so now the fourth measure has some syncopation things going on here. So we're going to get 1, 2, and E and 4E, 1. Okay? Kind of funny counting it, but again, it's a rhythmic thing. See if you can work it out. And if you're good by ear, just kind of follow my hands and your ears, right? So the whole thing now, along with the band. Measures 9 through 12 mechanically, let's work that out. Not too bad. Okay, measure 2 then. Measure 3. 1, 2, and bass 4 and. You'll notice that measure 3 and 4 here have kind of an offset crash, so measure 3 and 4 of this loop are going to kind of be tied together with each other. So if we do look at the last measure here, you'll notice that there's really no downbeat, so we get let's try the whole entire thing. And the last part to this bridge, again, mechanically working it out, is going to start with a crash. So giving us a downbeat of beat 1 of the next measure kind of helps out again. So measure 2 of this loop will get small variations, right? Measure 3 is the very last measure here. We get to use quarter note triplets. Now we can follow the synth sound, the synth or the keyboard part, to make sure that we're really in line without totally understanding what these notes are. Use your ears and follow, because Alex is doing a great job at outlining those quarter note triplets. So the very first note, ride cymbal and bass drum. The ride cymbal is still connected to the next note, which is the high tom, medium, medium, and then the floor, right? So let's try it out with the band. Now we'll take you through all the parts, the guitar solo going into the bridge, up to speed.